Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Productronica 2017 on the Scoop Studio, and I'm joined by Klaus from Fuji. Thanks for stopping by to chat.
Good afternoon.
We always talk to the guys in the US. We bump into them down in Mexico. What I'm really interested in, what's going on here in the German market for you guys? What's pressurizing you? What's challenging you? And how are you responding?
So basically we have one mainstream for our development and for our strategy, which is worldwide, regardless the continent. We are working strongly on the Industry 4.0, IoT and the smart factory.
Okay.
And this is our main goal for all the countries.
Yeah, and what does that mean in terms of actually what you're delivering? I mean, obviously you're delivering kind of those best-in-class machines, that domain expertise, but there's also a more holistic solution required.
Yes, to realize this smart factory solution, we need partner companies, that's for sure. And for each process step, we have different partners for the SPI, for the AOI, for the board handling, for all this process, which Fuji has not a solution. We find good partnerships. And here on the Productronica, we build up a complete live smart factory line. And this line consists from ASIS board handling, including the pulse system. We have our own printer machine. We have from Koyong the SPI. And we have then our NXT machine for the placement. And after the placing machine, we have a Zaki AOI machine. And the interesting point is that all these machines are communicating with a brand new smart interface. Okay. You know, in the past we had a SMEMA interface. Today we have a ELF, EasyLink Forum interface / semi-standard. Yeah. And this machine already talking the first time in our life. Yeah. It's not in the production, but here on the show we could succeed that each machine talk to each other. For instance, the SPI find the offset, and this will tell to the previous machine, to our screen printer, to correct this offset. The same communication we had between the AOI machine and our placing machine. Yeah. And on top we have a tower system where we have a driverless AGV running and bring some material from the tower automatically to the right position on the machine.
Okay, and the AGVs are provided by?
This is by Omron.
Okay.
Omron AGV, yes,
yeah.
yes.
So you've developed quite a lot of partnerships to create this holistic solution.
Right,
you're working with the new standards, which is, for me, the standards thing's been a long, painful debate, but it seems to be reaching a conclusion now.
Yes.
And it's great to see it actually operate. The whole partnership thing seems huge in the industry now. Do you think we're all reaching a stage where we're much more collaborative than we ever have been before?
Not so deep as it is by today. So we have a good partnerships, and we are not focused. I mean, I mentioned the partnerships what we had here on our booth by the Productronica 2017. Nevertheless, worldwide, we have more partnerships. So we are open for everybody. We are not focused on only one. AOI, for instance, we have also good communication and cooperation with Viscom. Yeah. For the SPI, we have different companies, also PAMI or other companies. Yeah. So we are not focused on this one single source. We have several sources for this partnership.
Yeah, that's really important, because you're going to go to some places where they've already got legacy equipment. You've got to manage that. Overarching this is some really complicated software. You're driving huge amounts of data, but that data has to be used to add value for the contract manufacturer, for the OEM. How is that going, and how's the relationship with the OEM in terms of them understanding what they want from you?
I think we have a close contact to our customer, and this is the strength that we, through this close communication and partnership with our customer, we are reporting the direction for the future to our mother company in Fuji, Japan. And the success what we have here on the show us that we are on the right direction with our strategy.
Yeah, and it's good that you learn here, you learn at the shows in the US with the teams, and you can bring all those best practices worldwide to bear.
Exactly.
Klaus, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.